Didn't I tell you that I was a cabbage?
I'm going to start by using this e.l.f. Pore Primer. I'm going to put it all over my face and then just add a little bit more on the spots where I have bigger pores. Next, I will be using the Wet n Wild Correcting Concealer. I'll be using the yellow one under my eyes and then the green one on my red spots and blemishes. For my foundation, I'll be using this L'Oreal Pro Matte Infallible Foundation. I will be mixing both number 108 and 109 and just put it all over my face. I'm gonna grab my damp beauty blender and I will be using that to blend everything out.
It go down in the DM.
I'm also going to drag the foundation down to my neck and make sure everything is blended. As for my concealer, I will be using the Maybelline Mineral Power Natural Perfecting Concealer. And I'll just put that under my eyes, my nose, my forehead, my chin, and then blend everything out. To set everything, I'm going to be using the e.l.f. HD Setting Powder. And then I'm just going to leave everything and let it bake. I'm going to go start and contour my face using the Profusion Contour Palette. This was given to me by a friend, so I'm going to use that on my cheek, my jaw, my forehead or temples, and on my nose. For my blush, I'll be using the Maybelline Master Contour by Facestudio. Put that on my cheek and then I'll just brush all the setting powder out. Now I'm going to be using the e.l.f. Eyelid Primer.
That's my song, turn it up!
And then I'll just blend everything out.
Like control.
I'm going to be using this tan color from Essence Brow Shadow. I'm going to use that as my transitioning color. I'm going to grab this orange shadow from the Wet n Wild palette and I'm going to put that above my crease, making sure that everything is blended. Now I'm taking this light brown eyeshadow from the Hard Candy palette and I'm just going to put that right under the orange eyeshadow. From the same palette, I'm taking the light and dark brown eyeshadow and then I'm going to focus just a little bit on the outer corner, and whatever's left on my brush, I'm just going to drag it all over my lid. Now using a flat brush, I took the orange eyeshadow first and then I mixed the light and the dark brown eyeshadow and then applied that on my lower lash line. I'm using a black eyeliner to tightline my eyes and as well as for my waterline. I'm using the tip of my brush so that it would open up my eyes and as well as not drag my makeup off. For mascara, I'm using the Voluminous Butterfly Intenza from L'Oréal. I can leave it just like this, but because this is for YouTube, we want to go extra, so I'll be using Falsies from L'Oréal. These are Double Up number 250. And then I'll just put some mascara on my lower lashes. I primed my lips using the EOS Balm, and then for my lipstick I'm using the Anastasia Beverly Hills in this shade of Vamp. Now I'm not sure if this is a legit brand because I actually purchased this from the Wish app, so if you don't know Wish app, most of the sellers are from China, so most likely this is not the real deal. And that is it. That's the end of the video. This is the finished product. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Now let me just work the camera just for a little bit, okay? So if you like this video, please let me know in the comment section down below, and please like, share, and subscribe to my channel if you are not already.